What if you could make a stuffed deer go whitewater rafting, all without ever taking it out of your kid's bedroom? Not just in your imagination, but in a perfect photorealistic video where every paddle splash and furry reaction is convincingly real. This isn't some future sci-fi dream. You can do it right now, all thanks to Google's newest AI model, Gemini. Today, we're diving into why Gemini might be the wildest AI model we've seen yet, and how its game-changing anything-to-anything video generation could upend us. It changes how we grab, remix, and virtually bring any idea to life. And we're not just talking about Hollywood blockbusters. We're talking about the sort of creative superpowers that could soon be in your hands too, as business leaders and creators. Before we get into the magic and the madness of Gemini, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI insights, and let us know in the comments, what's the weirdest thing you'd use AI video for? So let's jump in. The backstory. Last year, there was an attempt to recreate the viral Gemini ad where a child stuffed animal appears to go on vacation adventures as if it were alive. The stuffed deer, named Buddy, suddenly goes hiking, surfs, and even chills on a beach, all through the power of generative AI. Now, the videos were not shown to a 4-year-old for reasons explained later in this video, but the results were both hilarious and jaw-dropping. Here's what's crucial. To pull this off, you didn't need a Hollywood studio, a boatload of graphics experience, or weeks of technical headaches. The tools are now so approachable that with almost zero video editing background, you could spin up totally convincing adventures for a plush deer in minutes. This marks a massive shift in multimodality. We are moving from text to video to a truly anything-to-anything paradigm. With this model, Google has made it even easier for anyone, really anyone, to generate intricate, realistic videos from any source. Want a photo turned into a movie? A quick sketch brought to life as a scene? Your lunch transformed into the cast of a music video? The barriers are gone. Let's break down why that matters. Gemini isn't just good, it's disturbingly seamless. It fills in the blanks that older models struggled with. You upload a few still images, maybe some text, and out pops an entirely new on-demand video. No complex instructions, no coding, no green screens. The AI animates transitions, adds realistic movement, and polishes everything for maximum believability. It takes photoshopping reality to a whole new level. We get it. It sounds both thrilling and honestly a little scary. On the fun side, think about what this tech does for creativity and storytelling. Your kids' toys could have their own Saturday morning cartoon sitcom without ever leaving the house. Educators and marketers suddenly level up. But let's look at the enterprise side. For us in industries like construction, legal, and engineering, the implications are even more profound. Imagine simulating a complex construction sequence from just a blueprint and a site photo. We could visualize potential safety hazards before a single shovel hits the ground. In engineering, we can animate NPCs in training modules or visualize mechanical failures from rough sketches in seconds, saving thousands in prototyping. For the legal world, imagine high-fidelity reenactments based on witness testimony and still photos. It changes the way we present evidence and tell stories in the courtroom. We are seeing the democratization of visual effects. What used to take a team of artists weeks now takes a single professional minutes. But, and this is a big but, it comes with massive ethical and practical questions. The ease of creation is a double-edged sword. Deepfakes are only getting easier. We're not just talking about celebrity impersonations or viral jokes. Now literally anyone can make a person do anything. The line between harmless fun and full-on slop is getting awfully thin. It's becoming harder and harder to detect what is real and what is synthetic. This cranks up the potential for misinformation and manipulation to levels we've never seen. It's a challenge we must face as a society. It's not all doom and gloom, though. This is a chance for us to have smart discussions about where this technology needs guardrails and digital signatures. We need to consider watermarking AI-generated content so it's never mistaken for the real deal. Transparency is the currency of the future AI economy. We might require disclosure when AI has been used in a commercial or news context. The tools are powerful, but so is our ability to set norms. From our hands-on experience, Gemini doesn't always get every detail perfect. Yes, sometimes the results can veer into the uncanny valley, but when it works, it's almost indistinguishable from reality. More importantly, it keeps getting better, faster, and more accessible every week. For business leaders, the question is about strategic ROI. How do we integrate these tools to speed up our workflows while maintaining brand integrity? This is a change management challenge. We need to train our teams not just on the tools, but on the ethical use of synthetic media. The world of generative AI video is no longer about can we do it. Gemini has just moved the goalposts forward a lot. The key takeaway we want you to remember, it's now about should we do it and how should we use it for the benefit of our organizations. Whether you're excited to retrace your own family memories or nervous about a tidal wave of synthetic content, we are in a new era. If you want to stay ahead of this AI curve, subscribe now and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what we have coming next. And seriously, drop your wildest AI video ideas in the comments. We read everyone and want to hear your perspective. Before you go, check out the related video in the corner, where we put another mind-blowing AI model through its paces and reveal if it lives up to the hype. Thanks for watching. And remember, in the age of AI, the only limit is your imagination. We'll see you in the next one.